It'll be a trip to Red Bay.
It's RV inspection day, and today we are going to Bunnell, Florida to inspect a 2015 Tiffin Allegro bus 37PA. Now stick around. As you can see, this is not an Allegro bus. This is our RV, but both Pierre and I had this sneaky, suspicious feeling that the seller is trying to pull something over our eyes. Both of us awake in the night, both of us waking up this morning and saying the same thing to each other. Yeah, stick around. We're going to let you know by the end of the day because we're not sure if we can update you at noon, but we will update you. Stick around.
All right, first glimpse. Yeah, you're right. My camper needs to be cleaned up. So this morning Laurel wakes up and she says, here's my idea of a video. We're going to do it here. And so I said, yeah, camera is ready, it's on the dash. So we had the same thought. Great mind thinks alike. So that's what happened. We're going there with this apprehension, and I'm going to explain to you why. Our buyer went to try the unit and said, oh, the owner's anal. So okay, we're all anal to a degree, but it's a 15. What is he afraid of? So there's a lot of want to go back and forth communication. Okay, surprising. And because we know 37 PAs, those are 4 slide out, little 40-footer. There's way more. If you've seen before, we've inspected some of those. The chance of having something wrong is greater because we got 4 slide out, so that we don't have much room of walls left. So we'll see how that turns out. And for the seller to continue to reach out and text to us, because normally seller don't have our contact. That's just our buyer that wants to get off of the deal, and he says, here's the number, you figure it out. A couple of days ago, he sends a text about, can you guys tell me the list of what you're inspecting? The list? Let me show you the list. You see this big box and this frame and everything? Here's the list. Why are you asking for a list? Is there things that you want to kind of sneak under? Hopefully they're not going to see this. So put a couch, a tape or something across. Trust me. Here's the mission this morning. We're chasing a bone. We'll see if we're going to find that bone. Let's go to Bunnell. Lunchtime recap. We got the owner that's been staying here and he doesn't give us an inch. So either with Laurel or with me. So here's my big problem here that I have, and we've had this before. These seamless box are awesome, but the problem that I have is this box is misaligned, so it actually broke the fiberglass. So this box needs to be addressed and adjusted. As you can see, every seal is rolled up, so that doesn't help. The other thing I have, this slide out topper mechanism is, as you can see, I don't know how it stays there. So hopefully this little video helps us out to see how it goes. So that's the other thing that I had there. Other than that, on the other side, let's go check it out. So the bedroom slide out, it's the same thing. See, I can see inside towards there. So there's nothing much other than the seal that would have to be on wrinkles, so to make it look like it's plugging what it's supposed to do. So doesn't quite work as intended. So that's a detail, but it needs to be addressed. So for me, that's it. All right, end of the day recap. That was the beautiful 37 PA, 4 slide out, 450 horsepower engine. This was close to perfect. For 2015, this is amazing. This was a nice day. This was a rewarding day. It will come up with a report and a few things to address, but we already talked with the owner of the things missing that needs to be addressed. It'll be a trip to Red Bay, but that it's worth what you end up with. This is a 2015 and it is an awesome unit. It is beautiful. I don't have much to report except the stuff we talked about this morning, and that's it. Let's go check what Laurel has inside.
So it's the end of the day and it has been a beautiful day. I'm going to take back something. Remember this morning? And we said, you know what? Maybe there's some, you know, this guy, he's been with me inside all day long and he was a great help. So I'm taking back everything I said today. For the inside, they have maintained it really well. Actually, it's a little bit better than a brand new rig, I'd say. That's my preference. But let's talk about the stow and go, right? Because I'm right in here and I'm walking straight through to my kitchen area. I have access to everything. I have access to the refrigerator. I can even get to my bed, right? So I've just got to slip through here and get to the bed. Speaking of bed, it is a cement mattress. So consider upgrading. We've got a link in the description below. Coming into the bathroom though, let's come in here. I gotta show you the shower stall. I can't quite get to the shower stall to take a shower, but I can tell you I've done my tall stall and it is 80 inches. That means 6'8" and less. You're gonna fit in the shower. It's a nice big shower, but you do have access to go to the bathroom. You can even shave if you've got to shave. That's if you have a beard and a mustache. I was talking to the men. So that's my stow and go. But I will say, I'll leave you on this. I'm gonna leave you on a good note. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. Comfort zone is a beautiful place where nothing gets done. So remember, and do never forget.
It's not all about the destination. It's all about the journey.
So if you screwed up, you're on tape.
Okay.
Just remember. We're gonna check how you're doing.